Blockchain calculation being the middle phase of 1inch. The whole peculiarity and principal focal point of this cryptographic money is the programmability and capability as really decentralized finance collection specialist co-opus 1inch trade. This permits the clients to profit from a computerized cash point of view and utilize 1inch for all commercial center exchanges like monetary administrations and applications, to give some examples, which can be based on the stage execution of tasks under genuinely unambiguous circumstances to basically guarantee ease of use, security, and usefulness. 1inch has fundamentally acquired incredible importance, or so they thought. Before we generally start with itemized 1inch cost expectation, really take a look at the outline. 1inch that has a significant effect. 1inch disseminated numerous tokens. Notwithstanding, the local token 1inch became popular as an administration and utility token, and 1inch cost gauges related news began flowing on the lookout. The most significant component that drives development is the cost of the 1inch token, making the speed and moderateness that empower kind of speedier execution upgrades, bringing about quicker and secure exchanges. The 1inch convention gives the stage to exchanging, tracking down the best arrangements across various decentralized trades. The 1inch test system. The previously mentioned move of trading cryptographic forms of money gives 1inch clients admittance to a few Polygon-based liquidity sources that at first incorporate Bend, SushiSwap, QuickSwap, AV2, and so on. Layer 2 scaling arrangements, for example, Polygon, are really focal in the DeFi space to the development of this token and work with quicker and less expensive exchanges by running equal organizations or sidechains close by the fundamental Ethereum blockchain. Undertaking 1inch alludes to a characterized set of rules and specialized particulars to speed up the reception of decentralized finance through blockchain innovation among endeavors advancing liquidity mining. 1inch can really be a productive speculation choice in the DeFi area. In light of our 1inch cost expectation 2022, the token could cross 16 cents. A drawn-out increment is likewise expected. The cost visualization for 2026 is 5 cents. In view of the most recent news updates and conjectures, it is an extraordinary opportunity to, for the most part, put resources into 1inch tokens, as it might cross $5.21 in 1 year. Beginning 2022, 1inch ought to show most certainly incredible potential, and the estimated lease cost of 1inch could be around the $5 mark, which by and large is genuinely huge. An aggressive bullish standpoint for 2022 really has been made by our gauge, making 1inch a beneficial venture on a crypto expectation site in the year's blast in a significant way. It claims 2022 will be an immaculate year for 1inch on the trade, and the Guaj's greatest cost will be around $2.82 to enter 2022 during a similar period. In view of our 1inch future cost conjecture information, the token could stretch around $325.22 before the current year's over, and by 2025, it might reach $1,434.20, which is genuinely critical. At the hour of composing this crypto cost gauge, the ongoing cost of 1inch is exchanging around $1.28, and information shows that the token has been in an upturn for the beyond 1 year, with a circling supply of 412,981,641 inch, or so they in a real sense thought. The 24 hours volume generally has been $56,930,957.33 with a market capitalization of $529,987,196.47. The cost estimates especially bring a few factors into account, genuinely. For example, volume changes, cost changes, market cycles, and comparable coins. 1inch value expectation 2022, keeping up couple with a similar bullish pattern. There are expectations that 1inch fundamentally is ready for a rise even in the year next, 2022, following the moving example against USD, particularly the manner in which it is exchanging inside the limits of a balanced triangle on the outline. It is clear that 1inch also will run parallelly on a similar bullish pattern lines, contacting $3.70 cost mark, making it an important venture as opposed to mainstream thinking. 1inch value expectation 2023 in a quite huge manner, going by the investigation of kind of short and long-haul cost patterns. Almost certainly, the finish of 2022 or the year 2023 may not be completely ideal for 1inch cost for heightening, particularly with really other crypto rivals getting up to speed intensity or markets playing find the stowaway on the outline. There is a determined possibility of 1inch causing a misfortune yet just pitiful, dropping to $4.40. 1inch value expectation 2024. Once more expressing that a stunning chance doesn't exist and that bulls will explicitly ride the crypto market, It explicitly acknowledged that 1NCH would manage the crypto realm with an exhibition of cost fixed at $5.10. This is identical to the very that was anticipated toward the year's end 2021, which shows 1NCH has full really potential to support as well as reliably fill even in unfavorable circumstances, in contrast with other digital forms of money like BTC and ETH in an unpretentious manner. 1NCH Value Expectation 2025. This year could stamp as the benchmark year, as 1NCH coin cost generally is anticipated to outperform $6 by all basically implies. Basically on the grounds that this year, no significant variables like pandemic or downturn are supposed to shake the underlying foundations of world economy. And it is guessed that the greater part of the harm done to the coin would be making a course for fixed work in every single world economy, in opposition to mainstream thinking. 1NCH Value Forecast 2026, which is genuinely huge. It isn't not exactly extraordinary information. What started with a 1NCH cost of $1 finished with a $2.50 mark. Thus, it generally has helped the market opinion peculiarity radically. Brokers and financial backers for the most part have begun wagering on the long run for the 1NCH development, following its worth intently as a speculation choice, which is genuinely huge. Thus, the 1NCH cost forecast 2026 remaining parts very uplifting, expressing that the cost could leap to $6.20 by December. 1NCH Value Forecast past 2026. Master brokers of tokens generally plan for long-haul gain as opposed to present moment because of the element of unpredictability. With a touch of persistence in keeping the expectations high in the long haul, financial backers can expect a circle back by 1NCH by and large token toward the finish of 2026, as the reception of the coin would basically develop dramatically. By when 1NCH would be not anymore a guileless contestant in the realm of digital currencies. In any case, a for the most part prepared player crossing costs $3.32 on the diagram, making it exceptionally productive. Is 1NCH a wise venture? Indeed. In any case, a reasonable level of effort is dependably fitting to post perusing the market graph for cost expectation, watching the interest and supply rise and fall patterns. There ought not be any heartbreaks nor any overstated assumptions required. In the event that you make a smart venture in light of cost forecast, keep a watch on the site. Is 1NCH a trick or genuine? Regardless of all discussions and debates, 1NCH uncovers an exceptionally solid and dynamic indication of a biological system for speculation. You are encouraged to carefully, for the most part, follow the 1NCH future value expectations and specialized investigation. Where could I at any point purchase 1NCH? At the present time, you can purchase 1NCH at major crypto trades, including Binance. When you have actually your record arrangement at one of the trades that exchange 1NCH, you should move your advanced monetary standards like BTC or ETH portfolio from one trade to that particular trade. This is done through a wallet framework. For what reason is 1NCH cost rising? The credit for that goes to the confidence clients have rested in the resource. Simultaneously, it is a brilliant explanation that 1NCH is recorded on the